Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen device. First, gather your Zen, its original USB cable, and your computer, ensuring everything is within arm's reach. Make certain your computer is powered on and has at least one free USB port available. Also, confirm your computer's operating system is updated to prevent any potential compatibility issues during the setup process. Carefully take the smaller connector of your USB cable and insert it into the corresponding port on your Zen device. Then, gently push the larger, rectangular end of the USB cable into an open USB port on your computer. Listen for the distinct sound indicating a new device has been connected. Allow your computer a few moments to automatically begin recognizing the Zen. After connecting your device, your computer might prompt you to install specific drivers or management software. If a CD was included with your Zen, insert it into your computer and follow the installation wizard. Otherwise, visit the official Zen support website to download the latest software package for your operating system. This step is crucial for full functionality. Once the software installation is complete, open your computer's file explorer and look for your Zen listed as a new drive or device. Next, launch the dedicated Zen management software. You should see your device clearly recognized within the application's interface. Take a moment to complete any initial setup prompts or synchronize your first few files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.